Hey guys, it's Amber. So today's video is going to be a beat the box challenge. So this is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be the remix version. So instead of going out and purchasing items to see if I can beat my BoxyCharm, I canceled my BoxyCharm and I'm going to look through my stash and see if I can replace those things and see if I'm really missing out or not. And don't worry about the hair. This whole thing, this is the testing out of hair extensions. So just, yeah. I did not grow 2 feet of hair overnight, so that's what's going on there. So this month's BoxyCharm was called Life is a Party, and it was supposedly curated by Laura Lee because she does have a product in the box. I'm not sure if that is exactly true or if that's just a rumor, but I heard, you know, she might have had something to do with picking the other products in the box. Don't mind the baby giggles. She's watching Peppa Pig. It's what I have to do to get filming done, you know? So this box was pretty controversial and a lot of people did not like it. One of the things that people did not like is that there were options. And it's interesting because it's like, I feel like either way people are like, I want options, or if you give them options, they're like, I didn't want options. But it's really hard to see someone get something like a really nice neutral colored lip gloss and then you end up with a gray purple lipstick and you're like, I would never wear this. And that is really what happened to some people. So the first thing that was in the box was an eyeliner from Bang Beauty. And this was supposed to be $22, which is like, okay, great, a gel eyeliner. Anyone could use that. The thing is this kind of felt like something that was overstock that maybe didn't sell because it was a chocolate brown eyeliner. And it wasn't even like brown enough that you could like get away with it, like a soft dark wing. It was just light brown. And you could use it in your eyebrows, but I'm like, that's only like a small percentage of people who could use it in their eyebrows. I mean, I could, but like how many people are light enough to use that in their eyebrows? And then to put it on as an eyeliner, it just didn't quite, again, it just really wouldn't do that much, especially with the bright colors and stuff that went in the box. It felt kind of like it didn't belong. And to be honest, I have this taupe colored eyebrow slash eyeliner gel from e.l.f. This was probably under $5, maybe $6. If I would have gotten that, I never would have used it, and for it to be $22, which was one of the more expensive items in the box, I feel like I'm so glad that I didn't get that. I'm totally okay with it. Next was from Smashbox Cosmetics, a myriad of lip products. Now some people got lucky and got a really nice lip gloss, or some people got the little like ombre lip effect things where you have like the darker color and you go around. You know, that could be kind of fun, and I can see getting that and trying it a few times and being like, all right, that's fun, that's different, it's interesting. But there were quite a few people who got this horrible like light purple gray lipstick, and I'm just like, you know, this is a $24 product. I don't want it to be like bottom of the bin, something they couldn't sell, and it kind of, again, is what it feels like. Smashbox is like, here's all the stuff we can't sell, so go ahead and put it in your boxes. And let's be honest, I got a lot of lip products, you know? And so, to me, to get a new Smashbox lippy wasn't something that was super high priority, so again, totally okay missing out on that. Oh, did you want me to hold Teddy? Oh. She handed me Teddy and then she left. Apparently she has something to do. All right, next they had a nail oil. This is the NCLA So Rich Vitamin E Cuticle Oil. And this is $18. Okay, let's just be honest. I have this Express Dry Drops from Essence. This cost me maybe $3. It dries my nail polish and has almond oil in it. If I have a nail product that does two things in one, why would I want to spend $18 on just an oil? I mean, that to me, I would have been like, total done. I would grab for this. It dries my nails and oils my cuticles. Like I just, yeah. All right, so they had a really popular lash brand, and some people got this, some people got like a primer, and some people got a mascara, but I found like most people got the eyelashes, and this was a lesser expensive product. These were between $9 to $12. And they are House of Lashes brand, which is a very YouTube, Instagram famous brand. But they have sent quite a few lashes. These are the Baddington lashes. I have never used these yet. They come in this cute little box. Here's the thing, is the lashes are very beautiful. And for someone who's filming or making YouTube tutorials or Instagram pictures, they're gorgeous lashes. But for the average consumer, they're really big. Like, even the ones that I have that are pure lashes that I wear in tutorials, sometimes they're so big it like covers on my eye look, and I'm like, these are too big. So I feel like I wish that they would give a little bit more practical lashes. Like it would have been cool to maybe get like a half lash or something that would be like high wear that was just a little more natural. And I know some of you guys love the extreme lashes, and that's fine. I just felt like a lot of people that I watched videos on were really not happy with that, and we have gotten lashes in the past. So even though I would have been happy to have, I already have lashes that I'm not using. So again, I don't feel like I'm really missing out on anything. One of the products that was probably the most universally liked was the Wander Beauty eye patches. You got 3 eye patches. They're little gold patches for under your eyes, and they look pretty cute, but they're only $13. So if you pay $21 for a box and the only thing you like in it is some under eye patches, it's kind of like a wah wah wah. And here's the thing. I have this I got in a BoxyCharm. I have this I got in a BoxyCharm, and some other masks that I just have laying around. And so again, it's not something that I would be like rushing out to buy, and it's not something that I'm like feeling like I'm needing in my life right now. And honestly, they sell those little gold eye patches at like TJ Maxx or Five Below. So, I mean, and last but not least is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Eye Pressed Pigment Palette. Now, I want to emphasize that this is supposed to be pressed pigments. These are not typical eyeshadows. Now, I have had some people like Kendall Alfred who really liked them. She did a really beautiful look with the orange and the pink and blended it out to more of a sunset look, and I really liked it. Now, I saw someone else's look where they tried to take the blue and like put it in their crease, and it was like patchy and it was sticking, and I was like, oh girl, that's not a good look. So I've seen some good, some bad, and you know, this is a companion palette. It's not something you're going to be able to get an all-inclusive look. But with the eyeliner and the lipstick choice and this, it just felt like kind of an odd combination that you couldn't really make a cohesive look out of. And I'm not a huge fan of Laura. I've said this before. I have never been subscribed to her. I won't ever subscribe to her. I'm not, she doesn't have my vibe. And I just don't really care to support her brand at all. It would have been cool to try it, to be like, oh, I had a Laura Lee Los Angeles product, you know, as far as like review purposes, but I'm really okay not having it. So I'm thinking, well, if I wanted to have a small palette with those bright colors, what could I do? Coastal Scents has so many bright colors. I could seriously take these. I've got one shade in there, but this little 4-pan palette right here, I can pop any of these in. I keep this mostly empty so that if I wanted to travel with any of these colors, I could just pop them and put them in here. I mean, even e.l.f. used to make little pan palettes like that. You could just pop a few in. So for very affordable, you could find something small and put little Coastal Scents in there and buy a couple bright colors and probably get a similar effect. I just don't know. I don't know how many people who aren't working makeup artists or making YouTube tutorials are going to be using that bright of pigments on their daily life. I mean, that's it. It's fun, it's exciting, it's something cool to have, but I think most people are gonna maybe try it on once or twice and it's gonna go sit in their drawer, and then they're gonna declutter it. I just feel like, I can see where she's going with having something bright, but I feel like you kind of have something there to make it wearable, or it's just like, so overall, I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything by not subscribing to BoxyCharm. I want to know your guys' opinions on Boxy Luxe. I feel like that's just a way for them to like double chart. I feel like that's just a way for them to get more money. I mean, obviously everyone wants money, but it's like, are they really going to step it up and like give us like Natasha Denona, or are they just going to do more of the same? It's like, would it be the same as like ordering 2 boxes and having them just different? I don't know. Anyway, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.